Hello, my name is David Moore, and we're going to be using a device called Padlet what we're going to be doing is learning how to plan healthy meals. Here are some of the things that we're going to be looking over in this lesson, learning how about Padlet and how to use Padlet. We'll go over real quick about this, kind of what teachers have to look at to know what to teach to our students. And we look at Common Core standards and the NES-TS standards. We're going to be learning about Voki and also creating and viewing Quizlets. And the object of my lesson today, my main goal is for you as a student to learn why it is important to create healthy eating habits and encourage us to live a healthy life by choosing healthy foods. I want to ensure them that if you eat the right vitamins and minerals in their diet, it will help grow and develop optimally and avoid chronic diseases. You're also more likely to be energized and motivated, supporting your ability to learn. So what we're going to be doing is creating a healthy meal, snack, and drink for each day of the week. So we'll be creating 7 of them, and we'll be putting on this thing called Padlet. Let's go to Padlet real quick. I'm just going to show you a tutorial video on YouTube of an introduction to Padlet. This will kind of give you a quick introduction over before I explain it to you. Here we go. What is Padlet? Like I said, it's a digital notepad that you can put thoughts, your ideas, you can put pictures, videos, put things from the internet, online, anything you want on a wall, and you can put in your settings to make it where you have to have a password to get into it, or you can make it public where anybody online, anybody that pulls it up online can view it. What we'll be doing, we will create one, and I'll give you a password and a link to go to, and put your password in. You can open it up and write on this wall for you and your class to view. Before we get into Padlets, I'm going to go over Common Core standards. These is what I have to go by as a teacher. This is over physical education and health. This is what the state wants us to teach, and as you see, it's a framework of what the state wants us to teach as physical education and health teachers. We have to make sure that we teach you these things. We're going to go down for time, going down to page 31. This is what we're going to be doing in this class. Almost there. Grade 4. It has it all by grades, what each grade has to learn. And what we're going to be doing is learning how to plan healthy meals and snacks using nutritional guidelines. And we will be using Choose My Plate today. Just a second. First, let's go over here to ISTE. in standards. This is for you as a student. And we're going to be going number 6. This is what you need to be learning, doing. Move on down to 6C and 6D. In this class we're going to be using Padlet, so this is what we're going to be using to learn Padlet. You will be communicating ideas clearly and effectively by creating or using a variety of digital objects, which is you'll be using your computer. And you'll also be on publish and present content that customizes the message and meeting to your intended audiences. So we will have to be using a laptop or a Padlet, iPad for this assignment. Let's see, you brought your little tablets, laptops, so that's what we'll be using. Let's go to Choose My Plate. And I want you to go to this website today and tonight, and I want you to go through. Just type in choosemyplate.gov, Google it, and it will go over everything that you need to know about how to eat healthy. This is your drinks, what you eat, why we should eat healthy, why we do what we do. It'll tell you about vegetables, grains, and proteins, what you should have on your plate, building a healthy lifestyle. It tells you all these things. This is what I want you to look over. It'll tell you about the food groups, what types of foods that you get in each food group. And this will give you some ideas of how to plan your healthy meal. So you will have to choose something in the food group, meat group, to get protein. You'll have to have some type of grain like wheat bread, some vegetables, have okra, squash, anything, some fruits, bananas, strawberries, apples. I want you to plan a meal where you have all these into one meal. Alright, next, let's go to Padlet. To get to it, just Google it and click on Padlet. When you get to it, it will open up a page. I've already logged in and everything, so it goes directly to my page. But if you don't, for the free version, you get up to 3 walls. If you want unlimited walls, you have to pay for it. So I've already got over 3, so I can't open up one and show you exactly how to do it. But on YouTube, like that video you watched, it will show you. Here's some examples of them. Here's one I created for my class, and I posted a question here on the bottom. How could this wall be used in my 7th grade class to work on health-related projects? Well, everybody in my class was able to write on my wall of what they thought that I could use on my wall and how to teach how to eat healthy. Well, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be posting a question or posting our meals on here, and you'll also be able to write on other people's walls, like if you think it's something that tastes good or if you have any ideas for them. Here's one I created for me and my wife, my family. We're busy, so we put things on here that we need to keep up with, our schedules, things that we need to accomplish, groceries, appointments, things that we do for our kids. We just added prayer requests that we can put on here that people we need to pray for. But for time related, I won't go over and teach you how to use Padlet. I will walk around with you and when we open it up and show you, and I want you to go to YouTube and view how to use Padlet. And there's some other tutorials on here. They're 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 minutes long, and they'll teach you everything you need to know about Padlet. Well, after we do this, we are also going to create a thing called Voki, like I said. What Voki is a recording of an avatar, and you can create your own voice, you can create your own avatar, When you go to Voki, just type in Voki in your Google, and it'll take you, and it will take you to this page where you can choose your character, choose the way he looks, what he wears, his eyes, his mouth, his skin tone, and you can also give him a voice of what you want him to sound like. As you see, it's kind of funny. As you move your mouse clicker here, his eyes move. So he detects your motion. Well, anyway, that's pretty fun, and you'll enjoy it, and we'll create a site. I'll teach you how to use it. Here's one that I created called The Ball is Faster. We'll watch just a few seconds of it. I created an avatar, and I went over this little game called The Ball is Faster. As you see, you can choose a background. I chose a little basketball background. And I want you to create a Voki. And what I want you to do in this is to, at the end of the week, I want you to choose a couple of your favorite meals. And I want you to put on here your meals, your snacks, and drinks, and why you chose them as your favorite ones. And create your Voki and just have fun with it. Also, in this lesson, we'll be going over Quizlet. Quizlet is a web page that you go to. You go to Google, type in Quizlet. You can search any subjects, or you can create your own. I just want you to search, and we're going to put in healthy meals. And it'll take you healthy eating. Let's try that. We'll take you all these that people have created, and for each one you can learn about it. They'll have flashcards, spelling tests. You can have a test at the end, and it tells you different words like fiber, vitamin, minerals, sugar. You can do flashcards. You can learn about them. I just want you to type in different healthy meals, different things, and learn about these different things in it, like vitamins and minerals and fibers. And lastly, before we get done, that was your assignment of how I want you to create 7 healthy meals, one for each day of the week, and I want you to put it on Padlet. And at the end of the week, we'll be going over that, and I'm gonna have a poll, and in this poll, I'm gonna create a question for you. In this page, I don't think I have it up, but it is called Mentimeter, and on this website I've already logged into it, but you can create a question for people to answer, create a poll. And what we're going to do is create a presentation, healthy meals. And after I view all yours, I'm going to make a multiple choice, and I'm going to say, what is your favorite meal? And here I want to say, I'm going to tell your name, and I want you to view it. You may say Terry, David, Susie. When you get done, you'll present it. And what you will do is go to this webpage, menti.com, and put this code in, and you'll get to vote on it. And I'm going to have all your names up there, and I want everybody to know what their meal is. And I want you to vote on your favorite meal, and it'll pop up right here of how many you do. At the end of the week, whoever has the most votes, we will make that meal for our last day of class, and that'll be fun. I'll give you the ingredient list and all that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. My time's up, and if you have any questions, I'll be walking around and helping you with that. Thank you.